Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, we will be learning 10 skills to become a successful automation tester. In this video, I am going to explain you what are those 10 important skills you should have that is going to help you to become a successful automation test engineer. Before moving further, if you have visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. Let us understand what are those 10 important skills which you require to be a successful automation tester. The first one is you should know the programming languages. At least you should know one or two popular programming languages to become successful as a automation tester, because in order to become an automation tester, programming skills is very much required. If you do not know as on today and you are just doing manual testing, then take the time, take 15 days or a month, learn, take one or two, take either Java or Python. These are some of the two popular programming languages which is available at this moment. Learn these two popular programming languages. There are a lot of crash courses also available on the YouTube. You can go through and learn those two programming languages. Definitely that would add lot of value. The second is, being an automation tester, you should know how to develop a framework. This is very important. Spend enough time in understanding how you will be defining a automation framework. There are various types of frameworks available in the automation world. Learn everything, try to do hands-on on how to develop various kind of frameworks, what are its challenges, what are the gaps they have, how to fill those gaps, how to develop a good automation framework that can run your automation scripts in a better way. You learn each and every aspects of framework and try to adapt your work on day-to-day basis. That would help you to be successful in an automation journey. The third is, once we have framework in place, then learn the art of converting the manual test cases into automation script in a more optimized way by keeping reusable concepts in your mind, by keeping exception handling in your mind. Think through various guidelines available in developing a good automation scripts. Try to bring all those concepts or tips when you're doing or when you're writing the automation scripts. That helps in reducing the efforts in coding the scripts. This is the third skill you should know. The fourth one is, because being a tester, whether you are a manual tester or an automation tester, your core job is a testing job. That means you should have a complete knowledge on the software testing. You should have complete expertise in testing skills. It could be testing techniques, it could be how you are going to design your test cases, how you are going to gather the requirement, how you are going to convert the requirement into scenarios, then followed by manual test cases. You should know the complete procedural of the software testing things. This is very important. Even if you are part of an automation team, but still you should know complete knowledge on the software testing skills. This is the fourth important skills you should require to become a successful tester, successful automation tester. The fifth is, to become an automation tester, at least you should know one automation tool you might have worked upon. If you have knowledge on working on more than one automation tool, definitely you will have a lot of edge in the automation world. Learn some of the tools available which are completely open source, and you can just download those tools and you can learn on your own by going through a lot of YouTube videos available completely free for you, and you can refer all those videos and learn two automation tools. If I can give examples, you can learn Selenium for web application automation. You can learn APM tool for mobility automation, or if you have, you can learn JMeter for load testing. You can learn all these things which are completely free of cost, and having one or two automation skills, automation tool knowledge is very much required to become a successful in automation journey. To become a good automation tester, good troubleshooting skills is required, because when you are developing a programming or when you are developing automation, always you should be able to troubleshoot whether code whatever you written is doing right things or not. In case your code is not able to do right thing, then you should have a lot of troubleshooting tips you should follow, then adapt those troubleshooting in fixing the issues in your programming automation scripts. Hence, troubleshooting knowledge is very important. I think you can learn this gradually. Start focusing on thinking, do a reverse engineering concept in understanding how others have written, how their code works. Do lot of troubleshooting. In that way, gradually you can enhance this troubleshooting skills as well as part of your automation journey. The seventh is you should know the good test management tools. Especially these test management tools will be helpful as you move on in your career. As you move on, become a lead or a manager, these tools are very important to handle your team to improve their productivity in the testing world. So hence, learn one or two test management tools and get expertise in that area, and remaining other tools which will be in the same lines, the tools will be implemented, and it would be easy for you to pick any tool later if you wanted to operate on those test management tools. Eighth skills you should require is development methodologies are nothing but SDLC, software development lifecycle, where the software will be developed in various ways. It could be waterfall model, or it could be agile model, or it could be incremental model. At least get hold of the latest development methodologies which are working by the companies, and get an expertise in those areas to help to adopt these development methodologies in your automation journey as well, because you will be get aligned with the development team, and all the tracking, all the aspects you should align with these development methodologies in your project. The ninth is, if you do not have a testing certification in, and try to get hold of one or two testing certification, that is going to add lot of value to your profile in a longer term. This certification definitely will give some edge when 2 or 3 people are going to compare. If they have similar skills or same things, then the interviewer or company will give a little difference in terms of hiring the person or giving any promotion or giving any additional perks. Then they will also consider testing certification into consideration. The last one is, these days we are moving towards a DevOps journey. So we are moving towards DevOps journey, where in DevOps we basically use continuous integration and continuous delivery. This is a very key terms being used in DevOps journey. You should also learn some of the tools which are useful for continuous integration and continuous delivery, such as Jenkins and GitHub. That would help you to be successful in your automation journey, because all the automation scripts you should move on into the continuous integration and continuous delivery a little later in the game. So these are the 10 important skills you should know to become as successful as a automation tester. I hope this video was very useful. If you like this video, then please click on like button, and if you visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.